Hey everybody, this video is for Monday, May 11th. Over the weekend, I posted a couple of things on Google Classroom that you might want to take a look at. I put something, an article for you to read about Jason Reynolds. He's the author of Ghost and Miles Morales, Superman. This is an article that tells about his new storytelling video and writing series called Write, Write, Write. So if you want to take a look at this over the weekend before you get your activity, you can do that. And then I also let you know that I posted quite a bit of extra credit for the week of May 11th. There are 3 Ed Puzzle videos that you can choose to watch. This is just watching. You get 10 extra credits for showing that you watched that. The first one is Jason Reynolds Shelfie. Jason Reynolds 50 words, and then Jason Reynolds meet the author. Those are again just watching the video. There's another vocabulary called types of poetry. You need to watch the video and complete the activities to get the extra credit. Now we're talking about poetry because a lot of Jason Reynolds short stories are considered a type of poetry. So I want you to see how you think that some of his short stories, including the one you're going to watch and read on Monday, could be considered a poem. You also have quizzes, elements of short story, and then lastly, as always, you can do I Ready reading. You have to do 30 minutes or more to get the 10 extra credit points. If you are missing some iReady assignments from when we had to do them, if you do more than 30 minutes, if you do another 30 on top of that, I can go back and change some of those scores from the earlier assignments. Now, what we're going to be doing on Monday, again, continuing to go back with Scope Magazine, the digital version, and we're looking at the April issue again. Remember, the directions have been posted on classwork, scope materials, also in the stream. The first thing I want you to do before you watch the story is read glossary of literary terms. It's going to be posted below. So these are some terms as 7th graders that you definitely should know. So I want you to take a look at those and review them before you look at the story. Okay, so these are all words that you should definitely understand and be able to use and know the vocabulary as an end of the year 7th grader. Then I'm going to have you go to the Jason Reynolds Write, Write, Write site. It's hosted by the Library of Congress. There are several writing prompts that you can choose that I want you to then create your own writing. You're going to create a Google Doc and respond to one of the prompts. Remember, this is going to count as your grade and attendance for today. So if you look at the site, this is going to be in the homework tab, Write, Write, Write series, talking about Jason Reynolds. One of the ones he just want you to do is write about a new invention. Each of the art videos that he posts are about 2 minutes. So he'll talk to you about the writing prompts and ideas about what to write. You can choose any one of these. So that one, or tell the story of Jason's tiny neighborhood, write the first line of a story, respond to a piece of art, imagine your loved one is 15 years old, your hero writes you a response letter, create a fictional tattoo, create an award for yourself, and then this is telling about the series. So again, they're all around 2 minutes or even less, so that's not too much. They're all really interesting, and I like the way he presents it to us. The reason why I'm having you do so much with Jason Reynolds is because he was a featured author last year when we all read Ghost. A lot of you have read Ghost and the following books, Sunny, Lou, Fatima. So there's a short story in the Scope April issue called Room Dog. There's also an audio version that is read by the author himself, which is actually really cool. So when you go to Scope Magazine, remember you go to all issues You're going to click on April, and this is the broom dog. And then on yours, you'll be able to click.
The broom dog.
This is him
A
reading
school
it
bus
himself.
is many things. A school bus is a substitute for a limousine. A school bus is the student's version of a teacher's lounge. A school bus is the principal's desk. A school bus is the nurse's cot. A school bus is an office with all the phones ringing. A school bus is a safe zone. A school bus is a war zone. A school bus is a concert hall. A school bus is a food court.
So as we leave with that,
A
I want
school
you to be
bus
thinking
is a
about
court of law.
how
All
this is
judges,
like a
all
poem,
jury.
even though it doesn't
A
rhyme. It's
school
not what
bus
you
is a
normally think
magic
of when you
show
hear about
full of
poetry.
disappearing acts.
So
A
listen
school
to the way
bus
he
is a
speaks
bumblebee
as
buzzing
you also
around
read
with a
it.
bunch of
On
stingers on
Tuesday,
the
I'll
inside
be
of it.
adding a couple of
A school
activities that
bus is a
go
book
with
of
the short
stamps,
story. If
passing
you need to
mail through
reread it that point
windows,
in time,
notes in the
remember, I want
form
you to
of
go
candy
back and use
wrappers
the
telling the
text
street
to answer
something sweet
questions.
came by.
So make sure that you really
Notes in the
listen
form
and
of
really pay
fingers
attention
pointing at the
so that you're
world
ready
zooming
for what we
by.
need to do.
A school bus is a
Now
ketchup
remember, any
packet with a
writing that I
tiny
give
hole
you,
in it,
I want
left
you to
on a
be
seat, a paper
complete
tube around a
sentence,
straw. That straw
correct
will puncture
grammar.
the lid on
One
things,
sentence
make the
when you need
world
to
drink
give a little more
something with some
detail.
fizz and
Please
fight,
do your best.
something
We're going to be
delightful
heading into 8th
and
grade, and I need to
uncomfortable,
see some effort,
something that
okay?
will stain
As always,
and
get a hold of
cause
me if you have any
gas.
questions or need any
A
help.
school bus is a
Bye.
talent show.